Hi all, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the Now Delivery app. So Now Delivery app is the app which is used by delivery partners who work with Now Delivery, and they use this app to receive orders from stores, retail stores, and deliver those orders to customers. So an order is received on the app, which is assigned by our algorithm, and once the order is received, the rider goes and picks the order from the store, marks the various statuses on his app, and then delivers the orders to the end customer. So on clicking on the app icon, I will just log on. So before the rider logs on, he will get this information that why we collect location based data. So we collect location data primarily to enable rider tracking and order allocation, because since the order allocation since this delivery is hyper local 60-minute delivery, so the rider has to be near to the store for the order to be allocated to him. Even if his app is closed or minimized, the order gets allocated, because riders make money on every order delivery, so they would not want to miss the order coming to them, even if by mistake or by due to any reason they would have minimized or killed the app, closed the app, so they will still get the orders. On clicking OK, what I can do is I can select the language, which is English or Hindi. Then a rider will enter his mobile number, using which he can log on. We take permission to allow Now Delivery to make phone calls, because a rider can use the click to call icon to call customers while delivering, or to call vendors before pickup, because it is much more easier for them rather than going to their phone book and searching for the number, because like they would be getting many orders throughout the day. Similarly, we take access to photos and media files, because when a rider is logging on for the first time, he has to enter his details, and he has to upload his driving license, his government ID, and other documents, which he can either upload by using the camera, or he can use basically his gallery. So once I entered my mobile number, I will get the OTP, or the PIN as we call it, login code as we call it. So once the rider enters this login code, he will be able to log on. When he logs on, he will get this message that allow Now Delivery app to access devices location. So location is the key for us, because unless the rider's location is on, he will not be able to get any order. So this is the dashboard screen. So this is when the rider will log on. This is the first screen which he sees, and he has to slide to go online or offline. So basically, if he slides to go offline, then he will not receive orders. If he is online, he will receive orders. So orders are allocated by our system. So right now you see that there is an order which is allocated to me. So once the order is allocated, this loud siren plays, because most of the time riders would either be driving on their bikes, so they will not hear a small ping. So we have this loud siren. The siren keeps on buzzing until the rider accepts the order. So I will accept the order. So once I accept the order, so right now I have received another order. So once I accept the order, so once I receive the order, I will see various order details related to the order, that what is the order ID, what is the order time, what is the value of the order, and here you see the click to call button to call vendor, to call customer. So basically the rider can mark various statuses related to the order. So after accepting the order, he will mark his status as arrived. So the status arrive will be done like once the rider has arrived at the store location. So he will get this message that go pick up the order. So once he reaches the store location, he will go and pick up the order. So this is also geo-fenced, so the rider can't pick up the order, mark the order as dispatched if he is very far away from the store. So he will mark the order as dispatched once he is like outside of the store, and this position is basically this status is called as dispatch. After dispatch, like there are two options, which is either returned or delivered. So the return is like when he can't meet the customer, and delivered is like when he has successfully delivered. So right now I've got another order, so I'll just accept it and keep it in accepted stage. I will mark this order as delivered. So it will ask me that do you want to mark this order as delivered. So this delivery can also be geofenced. So this depends on vendor to vendor. So right now I'm marking the order as delivered. So once I mark the order as delivered, it will disappear from my dashboard and it will move towards order history. So I will same process I can follow for this order. My mark it has arrived, dispatched. This order I can return. If I return, like I'll have to pick up various statuses why I'm returning it. So I'm saying like customer unavailable. I will mark the order as return. So in case of returned also, like because like the rider has attempted the order, he will get paid. So we were at the dashboard. Now we can see the various options which are available in the app. So dashboard, like we have already seen. Bag level view is like where the rider is carrying e-commerce related packages. So here we don't have an e-commerce package, so we don't have a bag level view here. Then we have an option to do referral. So rider can invite his friends, and once they join, like he will get paid referral money on when his friends or colleagues join and they stick with the Now Delivery app for 2 weeks. Then we have a payout plan. So basically payout plan is the most important thing for a rider. So he gets paid based on this. So here you can see like this is the various amount he gets paid if he does 1 to 4 orders, 5 to 9 orders, 10 to 100 orders. And there is a fuel payout also for every extra kilometer which he runs on his bike. Then we have this order history. So order history will show us various orders which the rider has delivered or cancelled and the states of all these orders. Then we have roster. So roster is nothing but it shows the shift you could say like the in time and out time of the rider. So right now since we are sitting on Friday 7th of Jan and my shift is 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. So basically it indicates the time I can be online. So during his shift only the rider can be online. He can't go online outside of his shift hours. So roster is basically a schedule which is set by the system or by our managers for the riders to log on. Then we have notifications. So in case basically if a rider is late or if there is certain delays on his side, so he will get notifications like primarily like there has been a fine or there has been an incentive. These are the notifications. Then there is payment history. So payment history will show yesterday, for example, since this is for demo purposes, I am not a rider, so you will not see the payment history for me yesterday because I just went online and did deliveries. But right now I delivered 3 orders, like 2 during the course of the demo. So that is how you can see that I delivered 3 orders. 120 rupees is my salary, and it shows me that what is the total payout, which is 120, and when will the payout be paid. So my payout will be done on 13th of January. Similarly, like daily summary will show the rider his scheduled in time and out time, his roster hours for which I have used the app, the number of orders I have done. So for example, it is 3 orders here. So I can see everything in my daily summary. Assets is the assets, for example, like if we issue a rider a helmet or a bag, all these assets are shown in the assets. Then we have settings. So basically we would since this is app consumes a lot of battery because the rider continuously has to switch his location on, and most of them keep it on continuous charging using their mobile chargers. So the battery optimization is off here in default mode. He can change the language also from here. And then we have certain training videos like which show how to optimize the battery or how to use the app in the best possible way. So we can put various training videos. So this is a quick overview of the Now Delivery app, and this app is used by multiple riders, hundreds of close to 1,000 riders across India, and basically they make money using this app. So by delivering orders, so this is one of the most important sources of their livelihood. Thank you so much.